YouTube, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a logo for your Roblox game extremely easily, completely for free. So as you can see on my screen right here, I have Photopea open. Photopea is a free website that is similar to Photoshop, as you can see. So just head over to photopea.com. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit new project, and for the size I'm gonna go for 3000 by 1950 with a DPI of 100. There we go. Hit create. Alright, so to get started, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna head to our text tool right here, and you're just gonna type out your text for your game name, whatever your game name might be. For me, I think I'm just gonna do sword. Alright, there we go. And if you double click, you can also increase the size. Right, we're just gonna move it. Alright, now if you hit Control, Alt, and T, you can actually bring up free transform, as you can see. And if you go to one of these corners and you hit Alt and Shift, as you drag this corner, you can enlarge the text proportionally. Next, I'm gonna choose a font. So you could load custom fonts into Photopea, but I don't think I have. So right here, you can choose any font you want. I'm gonna use this one called Flavors. I think it looks pretty cool. So now what you want to do is we're gonna hit gradient overlay and click on the box. This will pop this up. Click over here and choose your color. You choose any color you want. I go for a nice blue. Just like this right here, sword. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna hit Control Alt T, right click. Now let's right click and rasterize layer style. Let's Control Alt T again, right click, and go warp. And this right here is how you can stylize your text and pretty much do anything you want. And here in style, you can pick one. So for example, arc, adjust the bend. That's how you could give your text some unique looks. So next, let's add some more effects to our text. I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm going to make a new layer. Next, we're gonna grab our pencil, which is all the way down here. Pencil, okay, pen. Make sure fill is on and stroke is off. And fill, we're gonna have the color black. Now the reason for this right here is because now I'm just gonna click right here, and I'm gonna click on the second point. I'm just gonna drag down towards this direction. I'm just gonna click up, drag as well, click down, all the way around. There we go. Right click, clipping mask, and as you can see, this puts the shape inside our text. Right here is a multitude. There are a ton of things we could do. Change the multi overlay, lower the opacity. You can also grab your eraser. Make sure your hardness is all the way down to 0, and opacity and flow is also down quite a bit as well. Increase your size right here. Oops, right click, you want rasterize. Right here, you can start editing this little shape, like so. And if you hold Alt, drag it out, you can copy it. Some cool little effects. There we go. It's nice. Some sword. So let's finish up this composition. Sword simulator. Alright. Control T. Let's scale this down. Place this right here. And for this, I'm gonna change the font because it makes it more unique if you have different fonts. Sword sim. Alright, I think I like this. Rock with this right here. Sword sim. Alright. Right click, let's go into blending options, color overlay or gradient overlay actually. Right here, we go for any color you want. You can even go for a white color. That could work. Let's add a satin to this. Alright, now let's composite. Now let's put this whole thing together. Very simple. Hold control, click on both, have both selected. We're gonna control G to group, control J to copy the group. So we have this for backup. Hide that and right click, and we're gonna go convert to smart object for this new one. Now make a new layer underneath. Hold control, we're gonna click on the icon of the top layer. We're gonna select, we're gonna modify, we're gonna go expand, and I'm gonna try maybe 25. Hit OK. Alright. Now make sure your color's on black. We're gonna hit Alt and backspace twice, hit Control D on our keyboard, and as you can see, this makes a selection. This makes a outline. We're gonna make a new layer. Go back to our pencil, and with this pencil, you're just gonna wanna fill these empty spaces in, just like so. That's connect. Boom. Now I'm gonna hit Control, click on this, Control E to merge these two. Now for color overlay, you could go for a gray color, like so. And then on top of that, we can also add a stroke outline. Make the color the same blue. So as you can see, it gives it this nice little effect right here. These two group, copy, and merge. And as you can see, we have our finished logo. Just use these techniques and you can pretty much make any logo for your game, or a very basic one. Obviously, if you want to make more advanced ones, you're gonna have to practice a lot or hire somebody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I hope this is easy enough. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer any that I see. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.